show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made up, baby, that's made up all that we find.
Today I will be planting the some of my herbal medicine, herbal garden, and herbal culinary herbs. These will take a month to 2 months, so this is a perfect time. I've got plantain, anise, gum, which is a eucalyptus, stinging nettle, thyme, oops, didn't add my age there, and echinacea. And I also have marshmallow right now in the refrigerator, and some soft peat moss. More of that later. Okay, so I am planting my herbal garden. I'm seeding those. Baker Creek, I got plantain. Rain Country Homestead, I got the echinacea. And I've also planted several more. I'll take you over and show you. One of them is Baker's Creek nettle, stinging nettle, and I got one from Rain Country. So I'm doing one side Rain Country, one Baker's Creek, and see how that goes. And here I've got, this is of course my window, and right here I've got anise, which is hyssop, stinging nettle, and I've got one side that's Rain Country, and one side that's Baker Creek. Here I've got gum, which is a eucalyptus. Here I've got thyme. So the other two, which will be echinacea, will go there. And then my plantain will go here. And I've got more that I have to do, but I can wait on those. These ones take at least a month or so to germinate. And that's it for today. And so I just want to go through some of these herbals from my herbal garden that I'm planting. These obviously need to be seeded in April 15th. I'll seed them inside. I've got safflower. Zinnia is just a free one I got from Baker's Creek. I don't know if anybody else has got them, but I did. Dandelion, I got the, I'm going to try a Japanese white dandelion. And of course I got my marigolds that I love having, and I also have my Tiger's Eye mixed sunflower. I can't find the regular flowers, but that's okay. And I'm also going to do chamomile. What does that say? It says April 15th or 20th. So I will probably, depending on the weather, I'll probably transplant these around May 20th or so. But I am going to seed early. Oh, chamomile. What else do I got under there? Mint, mountain mint. So I'm going to do mountain mint right there. There's mountain mint. And I've got oregano. I think I already have oregano though out there. And I have a lot of mints out there. But you can never be safe and safe. And this year I'm going to be dehydrating a lot of it, seeing that I do have a dehydrator now. And I'm going to go ahead and finish these. This is my echinacea from Rain Country. So this is going in now. It's been properly stratified, because some of these take stratification, and I did those all properly. I also have right now in the refrigerator and peat moss marshmallow plant. More later. What's going on with your bread out here? Is Punky leaving us? Punky getting sick. have a little comfort. I ain't taking him no vets, and I ain't gonna have him die in a cold room.